I want to pull it out, and then Mom wants to take a picture.
Yeah.
And then I'll get the hook out.
Alyssa's first pike she got to pull out. He's a little guy, but
Pulled it out like a pro.
pulled it out like a pro. Good job, kiddo. He's just a little guy. Yeah?
It's a nice one.
Yeah?
Tip up.
We had to run from one tip up that's way over there that just went up and it was nothing, and then all of a sudden we looked over and this one way over here was up, and we got over here and Alyssa pulled her fish up.
Seems like they're really out.
That was a long freaking ride.
Good job, kiddo. How do you feel? How was that? Is that awesome?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. Okay. We got to get him back in the hole now.
I want to put him
Yeah.
back
Yeah, you can put him back in.
We should have that thing that holds their mouth open, remember?
Yeah.